Yeah, so my name's Dylan. I'm at the Samuel Leeds event in Heathrow, Terminal 5 Airport. Haven't been in the event today, but I've done all of the courses already, here to network and for the meal. Oh, it's incredible. It's like nothing else because you're in a room with 400 people, like-minded individuals who are all trying to do the same thing, all lifting each other up and helping each other out. It's fantastic. Oh, 100%. Happens all the time. So you come to the courses, you do the live training. Samuel goes through with the A to Z of what you need to do. And then you also get time then to go call the agents, call the landlords, call the investors and get some deals through. And it happens all the time. Most times I'm here, you see multiple people getting deals over the line. So yeah, it's really good. Yes, on the academy, yeah. I'm going to be renewing for my third year. Yeah. Yeah. So full time in property now. Like I was teaching, making probably 25 grand a year. And now I've made that this week. So it's great. It just gives you that chance to just do things that you never thought was possible. And it definitely isn't possible in a normal job. So it's fantastic. It's all down to Samuel's training and the network he provides with the academy. Deal sourcing, so we deal source, rent to SAs, BRR deals and social housing. Bit of everything, that's it. There's no other place to do it. Like I said, there's the network, there's the training, there's the mentors. I just don't see why anybody wouldn't just take the risk. Well, I think it's £10 for a crash course. Why not just jump in, see if you like it, and if you like it, get down to Heathrow where the real training starts.